The present simple. The present simple is one of the first tenses students learn in almost every English course. And yet, many students find it difficult to learn and to use. I have met some students that tell me they don't know exactly when to use the present simple. It is not difficult. It's actually really easy and you can find it everywhere. In your house, in your neighborhood, at work, in nature, in your everyday life. Today you're gonna see the present simple is everywhere. Let's start in your house. We can use the present simple to describe many things that happen around the house.
You turn on the lights when a room is dark. You turn off the lights when you aren't in your room. You open the tap and water comes out. You close the tap and water doesn't come out. Your fridge keeps your food cool. You cook on the stove. You open the windows when it's hot inside. No one wants to wash the dishes. You hang your clothes in the closet. You unplug and plug back the modem when it fails.
See, it's not really that difficult. Now, can you use the present simple to talk about other things that happen around your house? Write it in the comment section or tag me on an Instagram story.
Like, leave your comment and share. Follow @OnlyTeacher for more content on English learning.